Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to give a header in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. Then it will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. Then it will simply take you to the WordPress login page. Then you have to simply put in your WordPress login credentials there, and after that it will simply take you to this page like this. Then you have to just simply click on the edit side option here in the right hand side, and after that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. And after that what you need to do is simply click on the plus icon in the top navigation bar, and here you have to simply search for the header option from here. And here you can see you are simply typing for the header option, and here you can see you have already got the header, and here you can see that the lots of header is already showing here. Just simply take it and place it to the place that you would like to place. So let's say I'd like to place this one, and here you can see you have already placed the header like this, and now you can just easily edit it accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.